Double outrigger boats are prevalent in maritime Philippines and other parts of Southeast Asia. And over the decades, it has evolved from the traditional design into a modern transportation of choice when going from one island to another as water taxis. But how safe are these modern designed outrigger boats? Turbulent seas resulting from monsoons and typhoons may result into damages to a number of these boats and even casualties. Maritime incidents caused by failure of structural components of these outriggers will be avoided by highlighting the need for some regulation of their design and construction to ensure safety of life at sea.